on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy, Fatkat, of course, man, bringing you another one. As you guys can see, man, I am leaving the hotel, going towards the airport, Dallas Fort Worth International Airport, heading back home to go see Christine, man. So it's been a couple. Well, first of all, going to see my family. Can't forget that. Going back to see my family, obviously. Wife and the kids and everybody, so and the dogs, can't forget the dogs. But and then on top of that, man, going back home to see Christine, man. So excited, of course. It's always exciting to go back, man, after work. If you guys don't know, it's one of your first videos that you guys are watching of me. I do travel for work, so I do travel quite frequently to different locations and so on and so forth. But you know, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty good gig. It's not bad. I enjoy it. A lot of people ask me how I get a job like this, or how you get a job like this. I don't know. I mean, I do IT, but you know, I mean, there's a lot of jobs that do traveling and things of that sort. So, like I said, but I just particularly do IT, man. So I go around to different users and stuff like that we got around the country, and go help them out with their stuff, man. Go, you know, not fix, but you know, do things with their computers and things like that, man, that we gotta do. So anyway, other than that, stay tuned, man. Take this trip back with me back to Tampa, Florida. We should be there soon, man. So take this trip with me. Let's go. Actually, real quick, before we do that, man, I want to apologize for the people that that did hit me up when they were here in Dallas. As I said in my video when I first got here, say, hey, hit me up if you're in Dallas. You know, whatever, we could meet up and all that stuff, man. So there's a few people that did hit me up. Apologize that I didn't get the time to actually do it, man. But I am scheduled to come back here within the next month or so, or 2 months, month or 2 months. And I should be back here for a little bit longer at that time. So when that happens, man, I'll definitely, you know, put it out there, at least with enough time in advance. Actually might try to set up some type of you know, meet and greet or pop-up meet or something like that, you know, so that way we could kind of get something organized, man. So apologize for the people that did hit me up, that were here in the area and were trying to meet up with me, man. Just ran out of time, man. Like I said, I was also trying to, you know, I was working my regular job, trying to meet up with some other YouTubers as well. You know, what was that? Anyway, trying to meet up with some other YouTubers as well. You know, get some videos in and things like that, man. So just trying to do it. It was a lot of moving parts, man, in a short amount of time. So like I said, next time we'll get a little bit more organized and actually lock something down where we can get like a meet going on or something like that. But other than that, take this trip with me back to Tampa. It should be fun. Let's go. We are back in Tampa, man. Finally got the Uber in the car. Well, got the Uber. I'm gonna say what's up to them, man. You know I do YouTube, man. So you on the, I said I do YouTube tonight, so you on the vlog today.
All right.
I'm gonna say what's up to them.
Good.
Nice, man. It is probably one of the nicest Ubers I've been in, to be honest.
Oh, really?
Well, Well, I mean, at least you keep it clean and everything, you know.
Oh yeah, I try to keep it clean.
I've been in a couple Ubers where it's like, I don't know if we're gonna make it to the airport or not.
Oh no.
Car's almost breaking down, you know, a bunch of trash inside the car.
No, I try to keep it clean. I even have a vacuum cleaner in the back.
Yeah.
You know, so I try to keep it nice because, man, I Uber sometime and I know how I like it to be when I get in.
Right.
You know.
I mean, you know, and I explained to some of my, you know, to people that to watch my channel, man. I'm like, you know, at the end of the day, you know, if you're gonna use your car for a business, basically, is what it is, right?
Right.
If this is your office and you're gonna use it as a business, then you need to treat it as such.
That's right.
I mean, there's guys. I mean, you wouldn't believe some of the cars I've gotten in. I'm like, I don't know, man. It's kind of sketchy.
Yeah. I even put some brochures in.
Look at that, man.
You know.
Oh, okay, yeah, cool. So if you're coming into Tampa, you got some brochures there. Look at that, man.
Yeah,
Hey, you. This is the way Uber should be, man. So, and all you guys out there is trying to do Uber, look around. This is what it should be. This is what it should look like. When you do Uber, can you request a certain driver?
You know, I believe you can. I think that's something new that they're starting. But you know,
it depends on where you're at, though.
And it appears the app that you have, you know, whether you can do it because you're in control.
Okay.
You know.
Well, I mean, the reason why I ask that is because if you want to give out your information, so that way, you know, people that might be watching my channel, they're in the Tampa area, they might want to request you, man. Like I said, I highly recommend you.
Yeah.
So, if somebody wanted to specifically request you, what would they look for?
Well, Reginald Williams.
Reginald Williams.
Uber. And, you know, that's something I think that Uber is trying to start right now.
Right.
I don't know where it is because, you know, I'm on the other end.
And this is a Nissan Altima, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so Reginald Williams in a Nissan Altima. If you guys are in the Tampa area and you guys want to take a nice Uber, definitely, if you can, make sure you check him out, man. Because like I said, this is, you guys know, man, I don't just say stuff just to say it. I'm always, normally always 100%, not normally, I'm always honest, man. And I'm not just saying that because of the camera. Like, this is literally one of the nicest Ubers I've been in as far as, you know, cleanliness and comfortability. The tinted windows are not purple, they're actually, you know, regular tinted windows. I mean, I could put my feet on the floor without, you know, stepping on water bottles and trash and everything else, man. And it feels like we're gonna get home safely instead of it rattling all over the place. So appreciate Reginald, man, for picking me up in a nice comfortable car. Now I could relax on the way home, man.
There you go.
And my Uber driver wanted to check out the car, man. We were talking about it. He said he wants to hear it too.
Yeah. Let me see.
But first, let me give you the my card first.
Okay.
Oh, that's my
Man, you gotta start playing some golf.
You know, I have a bunch of friends that do play golf, and I've just never gotten into it. Right. So that right there, you see where it says this is my YouTube channel name. Okay. So if you go onto YouTube and you type that in, you'll see it pop up. Oh, and it's in orange letters and everything. But yeah, so this is a 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. You want to see what it sounds like?
Yeah.
It's scary. What do you think about that? Awesome? Can't hear. I couldn't even hear you. What was that?
How much power?
She's right around 500.
Wow.
Yep, right around 500.
Wow.
So, and this is the baby actually, because they have you ever heard of a Hellcat?
Yeah, 700 horsepower.
700. So this is the one right under the Hellcat. So this
is more practical.
if you're gonna do it, if you're gonna you know, driving around every single day. Why is there so many flies in my garage? If you're gonna drive around every single day, this probably be something more practical.
Yeah.
Because that Hellcat is just.
Oh, that's too.
700 horsepower. But I mean, but it is kind of tame as well, unless you want to open it up.
Yeah, it is, because they got the electronics.
Right.
Time it down. and it can be driven in the street and there.
Exactly.
You know.
But this is you know, again, this is a little bit more practical,
So now,
I guess.
The exhaust system, did you have it changed? Or
I did. No.
Oh
Yeah. This is modified.
Oh, I can tell. Oh man.
But this car, the way it's set up, has everything a Hellcat would have. The only thing it's missing is the actual supercharger. So if this car was to have a supercharger, it is literally a Hellcat. But other than that, because you know I don't have the supercharger, but it has the same wheels as the Hellcat, has the same brakes as the Hellcat. You see my brakes are super big.
I can tell.
Yeah, so it has everything that the Hellcat would have. The only thing it doesn't have is the supercharger. So.
Wow.
So what do you think? You like the way it sounds?
Oh, I like the way it sounds. It's a toy.
It is a toy.
I mean, you.
I love it.
Yeah, but when you roll, everybody knows you coming.
Oh yeah.
You can't sneak up on nobody.
No. Yeah. They definitely know I'm there. But I love it though, man. Like I said, I had it maybe going on 5 months, I guess now.
Yeah.
And I love to drive it every single day still.
Fatkat.
That's my YouTube. So make sure you go check it out. Like I said, or you got my cards. I think my number's on it as well. So if you got any questions or anything like that, I know you're trying to start your thing. So yeah, feel free to.
I will.
Feel free to call me.
Let me go, because you know what? I left the phone in there, and it may have given me another.
I got you. All right, man. Hey, I appreciate it. Reginald. Hey, Reginald, man, make sure you got, I'm going to tell my guys again, make sure, Reginald Williams, right?
Right.
He does Uber, man. He's a great guy, great conversation. And, you know, he's into cars and everything else, man. He's into racing. So if you guys are in the Tampa area, you're going to want to Uber driver, man, make sure you guys go check him out, man. Good guy.
Thank you.
All right, appreciate it, man. All right, man, so that is it, man. I appreciate you guys for checking out this video, man. Uber driver, man, super cool dude, man. Make sure you guys go check him out if you are in the Tampa area. Reginald Williams, man. I don't know if you guys can request specific drivers or not, man, but he's definitely a cool dude, man. So if you can, make sure you guys request him. I know I will for sure if he's around my area, and then I'll definitely request him because super cool guy, super cool, you know, conversationalist, man. Super clean cars, you guys can see. Probably one of the better, cleaner cars that I've seen in Uber thus far, because I've been taking Uber back and forth to the airport, man. So, and on top of that, he's in the cars, man. He's in the racing and everything else. He said he wanted to hear it, so I let him hear it. And you guys see this reaction to it. Anyway, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. I'm back in Tampa, so you guys know there's gonna be a lot of stuff going down, man. I got a lot of people that I gotta get with so I can do their features and everything else. So I'm gonna be jam-packed and busy, man. So make sure you guys stay tuned for all this dope content that's gonna be dropping, because trust me, there's gonna be a lot of it, man. Anyway, a lot of dope cars that you guys been seeing from all these different meets and stuff I've been going to, man. Florida does it big when it comes to their cars. The car scene down here is crazy. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. You know I'm your boy Fatkat. We see you on the next one, man. Later.